Ebusia, a friend justice, na mwaka about the justice media so. Obi biara o Ghana ha say no more and so outside this country. Ah, obi tum futura go na ka to say omawe asay omawe ye and answer the papa bia free omawe say mo man. Say nipa or dada mente say nipa. Ebusia Ghana de tum po Ghana ko nanim do be ka say omawe say enye omawe say entumi nkoso the papa bia entumi free omawe say moment no. Oh, sika papa bi ni ade a fakoye different project bi anase fakoye investment of baby fufura a enye o ma we say mu no say nipa or dada na menye enso emo ho abro ebusuan so be kai the year of returns any the beyond of returns sa awo we nyina mo America na other countries o mo ba o ma we say mu no ebusuan can you imagine say dodo na ato ensase o ma we say mu dodo na esisi adan dodo na etoto estate any idea e bi mo nso enye other investment e wo ma we say mu abusuan enye asemketo na saa woman black American woman ya owo ho no mu yi owo nsem ba ko mienu bi eka no no so e ba the year of returns no ebi no so ababe investment e wo ma we say mu na ba ye tie no na afa ye nto aso.
And I do a lot of investing in Ghana because so many things in the infrastructure for me allured me and pulled me in. What Ghana in essence has done in their country is set it up in a way that they have more structures in place so you can protect your assets before you buy a property and find out like 20 people own that same acre of land. Safety level wise as well, Ghana is right now is a place that we're seeing that the crime levels are some of the lowest in West Africa. And then outside of that, imagine you can build in Ghana, right, or in certain parts of Africa for cheaper than you would build out here in the UK or in the United States, but then your return is higher. To give you an example, the equivalent of what you would get, like say in New York City, Manhattan, that would cost you, let's say the tenant would be paying $2,000 a month. There are properties for that same price of what you would have rehabbed it for that would go for $4,000, $5,000 US in Ghana. So you're looking at properties that people don't realize there's a certain level of wealth that is there.
Share na wankasa ya wunhwehwemu e wo ma we say nyema ba ko mienu bi ho na wankasa no decision bi a wa take out person we bi wo ma we say mu no e ma wo bi ntron sel nya de na da.
Now I'm standing in Ghana, Africa with my guy. Where were you when we last met?
Well, at your training course about a few years ago.
And since then, you've bought this piece of land?
Literally.
You've just built a whole apartment block?
Literally.
Let me go through the figures, bro. How much did it cost to buy this land?
£3,000.
£3,000. You've built an apartment block.
Literally.
How many apartments?
6 apartments.
6 apartments. How much did it cost you, the entire build cost?
About 100. Well, the entire build, when I finish, it's going to cost me 100k.
100k. And the end value, once it's all built?
About 450k.
450. So you've like tripled your money in a few years.
Literally.
And you got how many properties in the UK now?
Already. Na ana omodi omusika afa obi so obi omujinidi omodi sika fa ne so no omankasa de esidan a omankasa pe e de ama wo na sesi a omaba a oba ba hwese project anase dan a omodi share nipa ne nsa se nipa ne nsima wo mo no eye no a ne nipa na de esina.
It's real, y'all. It's real. I can touch it. I can feel it. I can massage it.
What do you think about the view?
Oh my God. Wow. This is crazy. Just feels.
Feels what?
I don't even know the word. Like, I don't even know.
So what you pictured?
It's more than when I was here the last time. You guys were making the bricks from dirt and sand, and now we have this 3 units completely built. Crazy. This is amazing. You're doing a good job, Jeremy. I love you. I'm not gonna cry.
Benefit. Say we so on the busua o. On the busua ana aba. Almost the sika no so trusted person on the sika na e share nsa. So we see a dan on wankasa pe e ma wo mo. Hwe o ma wie dan na this o ma be hwe o mo so. Eni gi a e koso benefit.
You got him in me.
me see. This is Nasir and Maliha's room.
The bed is so thin.
Yeah, the fan that hurt. Look at that. Yes, Maliha's looking like what? Yeah, Nasir, this is you guys. Right down for mommy now.
This is the heaven. You're going to heaven.
Oh my God, my bedroom. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, so good. We got it.
Can I take off my shoes?
You can. This is your room. You can do whatever you want to do. We love it. My kids are taking. Maliha took her socks off and everything. The girl is too much. Nasir, how you feeling? Amazing. Let me see the king in there. Okay. Wow. Oh my God. My brother stood for us. Stood here. He's been here from the beginning, from 2012. He's been building. And look at what we came home to. Look at my bedroom. Look at my room. It has a kitchen in it. Look at my TV. There's my, of course, we can watch everything. And that's it. I'm getting to watch it all. Oh my gosh. My husband. Sexy. You did this? Glory be to God, inshallah. Ameen. Hallelujah. Look at my bathroom. Look at my bathroom. Wow. It is elegant. Very gorgeous. I can't wait to take a bath. God knows. I need to take a bath. We've been in a plane since yesterday.
You see the
My toilet with the bidet. Yes, baby. Automatic. Yes. Love it. Come on, that's your pool, Maliha. Built it for you and Nasir to have whatever way y'all want in there. That's the, Mama?
Nasir said you want to start this right now.
Right, you ready to swim, Nasir? Come on, let's go. Daddy's in there in the center. Yeah. This is us. God is so good. Italy, look at what God did.
No, not today.
My king, look at what you built. Look what God used you to do. It's absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, God did this. I'm even like, I'm at a loss for words.
Oh, mobile my project no energy or mwenya.
My sister, there were so many things I was going to piggyback on, but let me try to wrap it up here. So, being a diaspora and coming from the Western world, we do have wants and needs that are slightly different than the average Ghanaian. We're coming over looking for something that's more affordable and what we cannot get in the States. So when we talk about areas like a Breeze, right, or beachfront property, I was very surprised when I came here that there were so many, a lot of the areas of the beach were untapped. And I live in San Diego, California. You're looking at $1.5 million for a house on the beachfront property. Here, I could get it for less than that. I was shocked. So a lot of us are coming over, we're either self-employed, we're close to retirement, or we hit it big in the real estate industry, and we want our money to go as far as possible. And we're finding out that a lot of your untapped areas are things that we are interested that we cannot get in the States. So a Bree, the mountain view is cooler, it's not too hot, you have the scenic view, and the beachfront properties